Getting an instant sheet metal quote is only a couple clicks away on Xometry.com. I'm going to go ahead and click Get a Quote, browse to upload my file, and the file will instantly quote in the cheapest process. In this case, it's 3D printing SLS nylon. But I want to make this sheet metal, so I'm going to click Modify Part, change the process to sheet metal, and change my material to, let's say, aluminum 5052. You can see expedite, standard, and economy options when available. You can also change the part quantity on the fly, and your pricing will instantly update. For sheet metal, I can even upload my drawing or DXF file. You can configure your sheet metal part features even further by adding finishes, inserts, specific tolerances, or even an inspection report. Once ready, press Save Properties. That's it! You can continue the checkout, add certifications, or even print a PDF to share with your purchaser. Thank you so much.